Thank you for your purchase of How to Say No to Needing a Tow. A crash course brought to you by EJ Towing and Recovery and the boys at CRG. What a lovely day for a drive. But before you get behind the wheel, follow these basic rules to avoid a potentially large bill. Before getting on the road, don't forget to do a quick inspection. Make sure you have enough fuel for your trip. Ha ha ha! Oh, Holstein. Pay attention and keep your eyes on the road. Watch out! Don't hit the trees. Keep a cool head when frustrations happen. Tools are helpful, but not when stuck in your tires. Good suggestions, you might say, but how can I truly avoid ever needing a tow? Great question. If you want to guarantee that you never need a tow, be sure to sell your car and stay home forever. Thank you for tuning in to our brief but hopefully useful presentation. Happy driving!